To my first boyfriend, my person, my love, and my better half, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. Honestly, I never prayed to God for someone like you. But when you came into my life 11 years ago, I always prayed to God, the Lord, sana siya na.
From the day I met you 11 years ago, our journey has been filled with love that defies the miles between us.
I can still remember the excitement in my heart whenever I see you during semestral breaks way back in college. My excitement to answer your call every Sunday began when you had your first on board. My excitement to hear your voice, even for just a minute, and my excitement every time you come home. As we stand here today in this church, in the presence of our family and friends, remember that I am always here for you, that I will always be proud of you and your achievements, and I promise to support you all the way until you achieve all your dreams in life.
B. Close your eyes and imagine all the adventures we'll have together. This little surprise is my way to help make them all come true. Buckle up, Mrs. Hamyas. The journey begins now.
Sa bagong simula natin na magkasama sa paglalakbay na ito, tinatanggap ko ang mga responsibilidad na naghihintay. Nangangako akong magiging responsableng asawa, mapagmahal at isang tapat na ama. Pahahalagan ko ang ating pamilya, aalagaan at magsisikap na lumikha ng isang barko na puno ng pagmamahal, tawanan at pangarap.
I couldn't have asked for a better person to walk into my life than you, Maureen.
I pledge to continue cherishing you in every bit of my heart, no matter the challenges we may face. I promise to stand by your side, to weather every storm, and bask in every ray of sunlight that life offers us.
I'm so happy that our hearts found their way home to each other. Always in your arms, where I was meant to end up. I can't imagine walking down the aisle na hindi ikaw ang kasama ko. Ikaw ang first and last ko. I love you the most. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. palagi mong tatandaan na araw-araw kong hihintayin ang iyong pag-uwi. Hanggang sa hindi mo na kailangang bumalik pa sa malayo. I promise to love your family, to love your mama and papa, and to love your siblings as my own brother and sister.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will
For almost 12 years of being with you, I can say that it was really a roller coaster ride. There's a lot of ups and downs. Despite the long distance relationship, since college up to now, you never failed to make me feel that you love me and that you really care for me.
hear me now and all will true. Hear the beat.
Kasmay sa Marino, na sursurok, iti kinapateg, iti panaglayag, adaytoy ket buyugen, iti tured, ken determinasyon. Iti panaglayag ta, iti daytoy abiyag, buyugen daytoy iti dedikasyon, ang mangiturong kanyata iti ragsak, talged, ken madiagkupas nga ayat.
Like the sun that steady rise.
My love for you knows no bounds, surpassing any barriers of time and distance, binding us together like the unending sea. Today, I give you not just my vows, but my heart, my soul, and my commitment to love and cherish you for all the days of my life.
It's always
Yung pinagdarasal ko na makasama ka habang buhay, sa wakas matutupad na. Laging pasasalamat ko sa Panginoon dahil ikaw ang kasama kong bubuo ng pamilya na pangarap ko. Kasama ko sa kasiyahan at kalungkutan. Kasama ko sa pagtupad ng aking mga pangarap. Kasama ko sa paglutas ng mga problema at kasama ko hanggang sa pagtanda.